Generative AI is not just a technological marvel, its applications are incredibly diverse and impactful, transforming industries from creative arts to scientific research. Let's explore some key areas where Gen AI is making a difference. In content creation, generative AI is a game changer. From generating marketing copy, social media posts, and product descriptions to drafting articles, scripts, and even full length novels, LLMs are significantly accelerating content production and offering personalized variations at scale. For art and design, image generation models empower artists and designers to rapidly prototype ideas, create unique illustrations, generate concept art, or even produce entire digital artworks from textual descriptions. This democratizes high quality visual content. In software development, Gen AI is assisting developers by generating code snippets, translating code between languages, debugging, and even writing entire functions based on natural language descriptions. This boosts productivity and helps automate repetitive coding tasks. Synthetic data generation is a powerful application. When real world data is scarce, sensitive, or difficult to obtain, Gen AI can create artificial data sets that mimic the statistical properties of real data. This is invaluable for training other AI models, especially in healthcare or finance, where privacy is paramount. For personalized marketing and customer experience, Gen AI can create highly tailored content, ad copy, and product recommendations for individual customers, leading to more engaging and effective campaigns. Chatbots powered by LLMs provide more natural and sophisticated customer support. In scientific research and drug discovery, generative models can propose novel molecular structures for new drugs, design new materials, or simulate complex biological processes, significantly accelerating the research and development cycle. From aiding medical diagnoses by generating realistic patient scans to assisting architectural design with automated layouts, generative AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, fundamentally changing creative and analytical workflows. Now, let's examine specific generative AI case studies.